Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the Also Inspired collaboration. Wishing you all a very happy new year, and we're back to inspire you every month with this collaboration. So, this month, Alicia sent us out some inspiration in the form of vellum postcards, and we were inspired to create a vellum shaker tag in a mixed media style. So that's a look at our tag, and it has sequins. So it's actually a shaker tag, but we've also done a lot of layers here to make it a mixed media tag. So all we've done is used a stencil and some texture paste for our backdrop. So before that, we cut our vellum into this tag shape and just stitched it, adding all the sequins mix in it. So then we used a stencil and added this texture with some sand texture paste. We used our Lindy sprays and magicals to add color and splatter. We then used our fantasy dies and die cut a few elements on cardstock as well as on white vellum. And using the same Lindy's colors, we colored a few of those elements. Now this is a clay embellishment we had in our stash. So just for some depth, we stuck that and used a butterfly die as our focal element and just added some words to complete the tag. So that's a look at our project, a vellum shaker mixed media tag. This is ordinary cheesecloth colored with the same sprays that we've used to tie on our tag. So we hope we've inspired you with our creation, and do hop along with us. Visit every artist's YouTube channel because everybody has different projects and the way everybody interprets is different. Also, Alicia is having a new call for people who'd like to join this collaboration. So if you make YouTube videos and like the concept of receiving something as an inspiration piece every month to base your creation on, then do apply to her. All the details are below in the description box. Until our next episode, take care and bye-bye.